Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to list channels on YouTube TV. So if you want to get the list of all of the channels that you have in YouTube TV and you want to arrange or organize them, add or remove any of the channels, how you can basically customize that, this is what I'm about to show you in today's video. For that, you will have to first of all come on youtube.com. You can come with the help of your web browser, mobile device and with TV. So once you are on YouTube TV official website, over here you just have to make sure that you are logged into your account. Afterwards, you need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and come in your settings. Now once you are in your settings, in the left hand section you might have the live guide option. Currently I don't have that option, but you will see the live guide option over here in the left hand section. So once you click on that live guide option, you will be able to see all of the channels that you have with your memberships, and right next to it you will be able to see 3 or 2 lines. So with the help of those lines, you can basically drag and drop the channels from top to bottom, so you can basically customize the list and you can arrange it as per your need. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.